have not registered, then go and register there. I'll show you how to register. Are you a student? If you are a student, then do this registration here. Okay, write your first name. If I write code Yatra, my email, country India, and if you are enrolled in any type of college, school or university, basically any type of course, if you are enrolled in it, then write the name of the college you are in. Let's say XYZ. Yes, and the name of the XYZ. So if it is not fake, then you have, for that only you have to put the URL of the college. If my college is, let's say, triple IT, then I have to put the email, if then I have to put the URL of that college. Okay, the program, let's say it's BTech, and year of graduation, let's say it is 2026. Okay, now here you have to clearly say that here you have to say from where did you learn about this program. So I personally learned about it from LinkedIn, so I clicked on here, and this checkbox you have to check here and then submit this. If you will submit, you will registered here, and for after that your next lesson will get opened.